How to find the best YouTube niches for high CPM. In today's video, we'll explore how you can discover lucrative YouTube niches that will earn you a high cost per mil, or CPM, which refers to the revenue you generate per thousand views. Understanding the right niches can significantly increase your earnings as a content creator. Start by researching using keyword tools. Websites such as Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest will show you keywords with high search volumes and the potential CPM they can generate. Focus on financial, tech, and health-related topics, as these tend to attract advertisers willing to pay more. Next, pay attention to audience demographics. Channels targeting audiences from countries like the United States, Canada, and Australia often experience higher CPM. Consider creating content that appeals to viewers in these regions to maximize your CPM. It's also important to assess the competition. Search for existing channels in your chosen niche and analyze their content, view count, engagement, and subscriber base. Identify gaps or unique angles within the niche where you can provide value that isn't already covered. Don't overlook the power of trends. Stay updated with current events, emerging markets, and seasonal content that could generate a spike in interest and earnings. Periodically checking Google Trends or social media platforms can guide you to timely and high-demand topics. Strike a balance between niche depth and breadth. While focusing on a micro-niche can reduce competition and help establish you as an authority, diversifying slightly within that niche can attract a broader audience. Remember, the best niche is one you are passionate about, ensuring content quality and sustainability over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.